So real quick, we were at my in-laws' house. We couldn't figure out what to name the company. And somebody said something like, what about Remax Platinum or Remax blah, 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 blah. And I'm like, well, I mean, it's okay. It's just not my first choice.
Yeah.
And her dad was like, first choice.
Be right here for at least the next 20 years, trying to work for those weddings and college tuition.
Okay, so tomorrow we close on our new house, so we're super excited.
We signed the paperwork and it'll record in the morning, right?
Yeah, Scott's always fun to be around, so that was easy.
Mm-hmm. Sure
So,
was.
yeah.
Awesome.
I know. Yay! Mwah.
When am I leaving? I'm leaving bright-eyed, bushy-tailed Thursday morning, probably about 5.
Where you headed?
Nashville. Straight through. Gonna get there. Got our tickets for the Grand Ole Opry. We're good. Then figure out what else we're gonna do. Lots of eating, that's for sure.
I think you deserve a break. You guys work really hard down here.
Thank you. We deserve a break today. You want to finish it?
I don't know.
At McDonald's.
Okay, so I found out today a critical part of moving is snacks. Make sure you have enough snacks on hand. I got a little hangry and we've just started, so I'm really excited. We're gonna spend our first night here at our new home, Tucson, Washington. I bought a couch from them and a new mattress. They helped me move a couple of things that we needed just for tonight. And then next week we'll have Go Diego go. They're gonna help us move the entire house over. So we're really excited, but again, crucial, snacks.
Try these first. These are my favorite.
Those are your favorites, huh? So this is us getting ready for Nashville, guys. Here we go.
I bought a size 2 small because I like them so much. They might not work because they're too small for me sometimes.
Oh,
There you go.
there it is. Uh-huh. Yeah, baby. All right, pull. You getting this?
What's one thing that you have to take with you on a show?
The one thing that I have with me all the time in the car, I take it in with me, is my water flask. I certainly like to try and stay hydrated. We're on the move, we're on the go, in and out of homes, in and out of properties. Very important to stay well hydrated, so I always like making sure I have my water with me in my my hydro flask. At least we can laugh about this now. A little over a year ago, I had some clients in town. They had traveled to the area from the Northeast, and it was their last day that I was going to be with them. They'd packed all their stuff in the back of their SUV. We were getting ready to go to the next appointment before they were going to head out of town. They had to get a few things out of the back of the SUV, and as we pulled away, I looked in my rearview mirror, and if lo and behold, there weren't all kinds of stuff all over Kings Highway. Unfortunately, my buyer had forgotten to latch the back of the SUV, and unfortunately, nothing got broken, nothing got run over. We had to stop some traffic. The firefighters from the fire station came out and helped us get them collected and allowed us to get back on their way. But that was pretty crazy. Certainly, thankfully, no one was hurt, nothing was broken, and we were able to move along to the next showing.
Bye, I'm leaving.
You're leaving.
Hasta la vista.
Going to enjoy that vacation.
I'm gonna go enjoy my vacation in Nashville.
Have a good time. Be safe.
Thanks. Bye. See you.
Hi, my name's Chris McDonald. I work at Best Golf Cars. We're a factory club car dealer. We're here at the Market Commons store. Hopefully going to enjoy a nice ride, and we've been a club car dealer for almost 30 years. I think in August will be 30 years, and we love what we do. This is why we talk about with people having deluxe lighting packages. Headlights, taillights, turn signals, brake lights, because you're driving on the road with other cars. You want to make sure that they know stop. I would say that pretty much all of the Grand Strand is like that. I mean, you can be east of 17 and you can go through all those communities, hit tons of, not only the beach, but you can go and hit a lot of restaurants, shops, CVS, Walmarts. I mean, you can do, there's a lot of people that use this golf car as truly another mode of transportation for them. And then the communities that are being built today, there's a lot of access within the community and then outside of the community, such as like here Market Common or even Grand Dunes and other places like that, that you can cross a major road at an intersection to hit a secondary road, and it can get you virtually as far as your batteries will take you. This intersection you can cross, but you cannot drive down the road. You can't drive down a major road, but you can drive down any road that's posted 35 miles an hour or less.
Now, is that the state or is that city of Myrtle Beach?
That's state law. How do I make this golf car street legal? And somehow that term caught on, so people are using it. And the bottom line is, in the state of South Carolina, all golf cars are street legal. They don't need any requirements as far as lights or anything. They are all street legal. However, safety would tell you that you would want lights and you would want turn signals and things like that, because you are going to be driving on the road with other cars, with other motorists. So that is something that you would want to consider. So, but the other bridge to that is what you call a low-speed vehicle, or an LSV. It looks like a golf car, it drives like a golf car, but it's got federal standards to it that makes it go from a recreational vehicle, which a golf car is with a serial number, to an actual motor vehicle, which will get a VIN number. And it gets licensed, you'll have a license plate on it, and there's some other advantages to it. You can drive it day or night, and there's no distance restrictions on an LSV. But outside of that, that's really the two main differences between LSV and a golf car.
Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and thank you so much, Chris, for educating us. I know I learned a ton, and I'm sure my viewers did too. So if you got any questions, if this wasn't enough, just give Chris a call here at Best Golf Cars, and he'll be glad to talk to you. And I look forward to talking to you next time. Thanks for watching.